Hey guys, okay, so it's your girl Toya, the master esthetician here. So I just kind of want to show you guys some goodies from Glow Recipe. I went to their master class. It's amazing. So this is the bag that I got. Super cute, super big. I will be using this for the beach, wherever, I don't know. So in my bag, I had the Glow Recipe book, and the inside is literally a recipe, y'all. Like, it literally has all the ingredients, how to use it, how to use the toners, how to use the cleansers, everything. And it came with this cute pen, super cute. Also, y'all, I got the watermelon glow mask. If you guys watched my last tutorial, you'll see that I actually put this mask on. I also got the avocado cleanser. Super excited. I also got the pink juice moisturizer. I do like that it was very light when I put it on, so I definitely will be trying this more often. I also got the Noxinamide drops, baby. I know I love me some Noxinamide. I also got me the blemish serum. Super, super dope. And I also got me like a compact mirror. I thought this was super cute, great advertisement. And yeah, so you literally get all of this in one bag just to go to the PR event. And I really did love that they literally went over every product that they had in detail, kind of informed everyone, and we actually got to put it on, and there were so many helpers to help us. So super excited about that. So if you have a master class for Glow Recipe in your area, go check them out. Bring your girlfriends. It was a vibe. I love what came in my package. So definitely check them out. Bye guys. Mwah!